If I listen to him very carefully, in the course of reading his motion, he made mention of Fulani, the word Fulani. And I cannot sit down here as a proud nomadic Fulani man, even if it is by accident of nature, for somebody to stand and become judgmental in his speech that he identified that they are Fulanis. It is either he withdraw that statement and say unknown gunmen or suspected or whatever nomenclature want to apply. But you cannot look at a honorable, respectful, God-fearing tribe like Fulani and you identify that they are Fulanis. I so submit.